Y'all, this might be the cutest little stocking stuffer that I've ever made. So welcome back to my sewing room. My name's Mia if you're new here, and on this channel we make tons of bags and cute little sewing projects. Today we have a really cute beginner friendly DIY project that I think you're gonna love, and it's gonna be a super easy stocking stuffer that you can add to anyone's stocking for Christmas. So I'm gonna walk you through the measurements on screen so that way you have all the measurements. So if you have some scrap fabric and a Stanley cup, you might want to grab it so you can make this little project. I was in Hobby Lobby the other day and I saw these cute little wallets. They were like the ones that look like the croc slippers, but it was just a little wallet that can slide onto your Stanley cup. So you know me, every time I see something that I think we can make, I was like, let's go ahead and give this a try. And we're gonna make one to match the tote bag that I just made. So if you have some of your favorite fabric that you wanna make something with, let's make one for our Stanley cup. So maybe you have a different type of cup, or I have all sorts of favorite cups that I like to drink out of, but my Stanley cup is the biggest one, and this is the one that I usually use to drink all my water out of, but I'm gonna make the cute little Stanley cup wallet for this cup. Sunday, you guys, at 6 p.m. Central, we're gonna be making these together. So this will be the perfect little stocking stuffer this year for Christmas. So if you're a part of the Sophie Circle and you don't have anything to do on Sunday around 6 p.m. Central Time, join us because we're gonna be making them live. So let's get right into making this little Stanley Cup wallet. I just finished the Stanley cup wallet. I think it turned out really nice. And so basically all you do is just snap it closed. And just put whatever you want in it. So I'm gonna put my wallet. Also, maybe a little makeup, a little lip gloss. Super cute. I added a little Hello Kitty zipper pull. Snap it on. And that's it. This is it. Super cute. This is how she looks. I think this is the cutest little stocking stuffer. So that's it. If you enjoyed making this little DIY project, watch the video of the tote bag that matches it. I think you're gonna love it.